Hey guys, Chelsea here from Making Manzanita. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick hack for how to set up repetitive cutting on a miter saw station. This is super handy if you need to cut a bunch of wood all at the same length. Enjoy! Hey guys, to cut the trim down, we are using a miter saw. And I want to just point out something that you may or may not have on your miter saw. This is just a Delta Shopmaster. It's pretty old. We actually have 3 miter saws in our garage, believe it or not. We've got this one. We've got another Delta Shopmaster over here that's a lot smaller. I usually use this one because I like how I can pick it up and it's pretty lightweight. And then we've got another one down here that's really big, a Milwaukee. Anyway, I just wanted to point out that you may or may not on your miter saw have these little pieces out here. You may or may not know what they do, but you can use this kind of as a guide. You can clamp it into place and then put your pieces so they butt up against this, and then you can cut a lot at the same length without measuring every single time. So that will definitely come in handy. However, I want to cut my pieces down to 8 inches, and this is more than 8 inches. So that is what this guy is for here. So you can get another piece of wood, just a scrap piece, put it under here and set it at the correct length, and then you can just butt your pieces up against it and they'll be the perfect length every time. So we will be using that. Alright guys, so I've got my stock here to cut the boards all the same length, or the trim, all the same length. So you just want to make sure it's pressed all the way against the back and then all the way against this, so you get nice and straight cuts. And then I'm cutting 2 at a time. They're pretty small, so you can definitely get away with that. I was going to try 3, but I can't put a finger on each one. I got small hands, so I'm just trying to be safe here. So there you have it. That's how we cut all of these wood pieces for this planter pot cover at the same length, and we were able to do it really quickly by setting up repetitive cutting on our miter saw station. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Push that like button, and while you're here, subscribe so you don't miss our next DIY video. See you next week. Bye-bye.